Alright, been in trader rehab for the last week. Blew up my account, actually week and a half. Blew up my account 2 days in a row. Got margin called. Been doing alright. I mean, over trading, and it just feels ridiculous in the when I'm in the sim doing it. I mean, it should feel ridiculous for real money too, but I have the hopes of making a dollar, turning a dollar into making a dollar out of 15 cents. But yeah, today I had some pretty good patience. As you see, I sit down at 7 a.m. Eastern. It's already 8:24 here in my first trade. But the only problem here is I'm trading something outside of my price range. It's a penny stock. I mean, my cash count is dwindling now. So I don't know. I was just trying to make a couple extra dollars. I got in. I was up a couple bucks, and I was like, "Ooh, here we go. Let me just get pushed to 50 cents." But yeah, it didn't work. I got a big red candle, and still holding, still holding. I mean, I definitely had opportunity to get out soon, but yeah, yeah. Can't trade pennies the same way I trade my regular stocks here. Anyways, I should have been got out. Could have been down $5 or whatever. I ended up losing about $12 here because I was like, okay, I haven't had two red candles in a row yet, and still have hope, and it's above VWAP. But yeah, as you'll see here, it broke below the 90 MA and got to the 20, so I pulled it. And no joke, right after. This is my paper trading account. The stock squeezed up, and then hovered at right just below 5, and I felt like it was going to break 5, so I took a position starter, sold half, 15 cents up, goes up more, drop another half, and it hovers, finally just get out of the position. This is a great trade. I got 36 cents a share, 10 shares. I even blew up my paper trading account last week. I sold it off. It was like at $400,000, just messing around, but I sold it off all the way to 2,000, and then emotionally compromised in my paper trading account, which is ridiculous. So I was still watching this one to see if it was going to give me a second push, but the stock has been quiet all day. That was just a push out of nowhere. Ended up having news or whatnot, but leading game of the day, it wasn't easy to trade, I don't think. But yeah, I got in here, I saw my setup, and I executed it perfectly. Took a screenshot of my chart because this is exactly what I need to be looking for. At this point, I'm looking for a bull flag on the 1 minute, because second pullback on the 10-second didn't work out. Got a pretty big rejection there. I mean, it's still holding up above the 90 MA opportunity, but it is hovering up there. This is the only other trade of the day I took. I mean, I had great patience up until that penny stock. One popped, and then another popped, and I ended up getting in one of them. But yeah, so I took a loss on the day in my cash account, but paper trading, I've been doing better. My trades have been getting less and less, which I think is important. I need to focus on my strategy. Quit trading everything, because my strategy, I know it works. So this is the mental aspect, I guess, of trading. But yeah, I didn't post any videos since I blew up my account 2 days in a row. I have been trading my cash account, one trade a day, but mostly just paper trading. So I'll post this one up, and next week I gotta load my account. I don't know. Probably stay paper trading, but we'll see when we get there.